Good afternoon, dear student in grade 9. Today, again, it's Monday, 24th of May. This is our third session into social study. We're still discussing the issue of the renewable fuels, and last time we were speaking about the using or replacing the billets, the wood billets, which are those pieces of wood, with the logs, replacing the logs with the wood pellets. And what is the advantage of this? That they do not produce smoke or ash, and both at the same time we do not need to cut down trees to make pellets, because we collect the pellets from the furniture mills or the factories. Okay. If you remember, we have spoken before about something called the biofuel, and we said the biofuels is a type of fuel that we get from things that are in the nature. That's why we name it by bio. And we said examples like the corn, like the sugar cane, soybean, and the oil, the palm oil. One of those examples of the renewable fuel and the biofuel, it's the ethanol. And the ethanol, it's renewable. Why? Because it is made from crops, and the crops are quick and easy to grow. Number two, the ethanol is made from sugar cane or corn. We can get it from the sugar cane or corn. It's also made from waste product left over from the sugar mills. The sugar factories that manufacture the sugar, food factories or farms. Also, we have another other biofuel type, which is the biodiesel. The biodiesel is made from new or used vegetable oils, especially the vegetable the oil used to fry the French fries, used to fry the French fries in the restaurants. You can also get it from oil from soybeans and corn. It is used as fuel for vehicles, and it doesn't produce carbon when used alone, not mixed with any other oil. It doesn't produce carbon. So now we have some examples like the ethanol and the biodiesel. Other natural sources for biofuels that we can get biofuels from is the seaweeds that we can see it on the bottom of the sea, the fast growing grasses and trees, the paper waste, the garbage, and the animal manure, or the waste of the animals or stools of the animals. Those are other sources for biofuels. Some other example of renewable fuel, there are resources that can be renewed easily, is the cells. We have some types of cells. We have the fuel cells, the wind cell, the water cell, the solar cells. Today we're going to discuss what is the fuel cells. Fuel cells, we will find it in the inside the car. You visit this part. Can you see it? It's like a suitcase. What the function, and how does it work? The fuel cells make hydrogen and oxygen. They combine the hydrogen and oxygen together, and they turn them into water. Okay, where did they get the oxygen? They get it from the air, and the hydrogen is already found in a container in the fuel cell. When the two elements combine together, of course, they create energy and water at the same time, because we have hydrogen and oxygen. We have positive element and was joined with negative elements, and both of them get to us energy and water. And this water is released in the air as drops of steam. You see it like drops fell down from the cars. A little problem that have faced the scientists, that the fuel cells, they are very small in the size, so it takes many of them to produce energy. In order to produce energy and make the cars or a bus to work or to move, we need many of those cells. And this number of cells, of course, they occupied a large size in the vehicle. because at the beginning the city buses used up to the third of the space of the bus in order to have fuel cells inside the bus. But now cars have a fuel cell back about the size of a small suitcase that I have shown to you on the previous picture. Also now, right now, fuel cells are used in hospitals and factories. Why? As a backup power sources. When the electricity goes out, they use those fuel cells in order to run on generators. Okay, that's our lesson for today in the social study. One more session is left for us in the social to reach the end of the curriculum. Thank you for listening and enjoy your day. Bye bye.